So we are on the Salmon River. Well, not on the river, but we're by the river, hiking to a waterfall that is not very well known.
Secret waterfall.
Yeah. There's not very clear directions on how to get there, but I think we'll be able to find it. Shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, we're gonna check it out. 6 miles or so ish.
Maybe.
We'll see.
But secret waterfall, it's always exciting.
Yes, and it's sunny for the first day in like a week and a half. So we're pretty excited about it. Yeah. We found the waterfall, which is exciting because there were a couple times where we weren't sure because the directions aren't clear at all. So, but we made it, and the last like half mile was literally like straight down. So that's gonna be fun going back up, but it was worth it. And I had to climb down this. We had to climb down this, which was pretty scary.
But if you fell in the pool, so.
I don't want to fall in the pool though, it's cold. But yeah, it's totally worth the effort it's taking to get out here. Beautiful, really unique spot, you know. Waterfall here, here, here.
And we're sitting on a waterfall.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yep, it's nice, really beautiful. We are starting our trek back up the mountain, and it's hot.
It's straight up the mountain.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty intense, but it was totally worth it. Goodbye,
Awesome
secret waterfall.
Up we go.
Up.
Hey, she makes it.
We found a hot spring. Eager went to get his flashlight because it's gonna get dark soon. Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
This hot spring is awesome, and we have it all to ourselves, which is pretty nice.
More awesome.
Yeah. But really peaceful. There's like a little cave right here, which is really cool. Let's check it out. So we are now at Crater Lake National Park, and we're about to walk out and see the lake.
The volcano lake.
Yeah. How did a mountain become a lake? A mountain volcanic eruption 7,000 years ago. Boom.
Crazy.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna go do this 1.8 mile hike and check it out.
Candy Crush.
Actually do the hike. We walked out and then we had like the perfect view of the lake, so I didn't see it really getting any better, and it was really cold, so we decided to just keep going. We got to see the lake.
It was cold.
Yeah, it was really cold and windy, so we didn't really feel like hiking, just to go to another viewpoint that was basically like the same. So we are on our way to a National Creek waterfall, is what it's called, I think, and then yeah.
See you there.
So we're at National Creek Falls. Half a mile hike down to Waterfall.
Looks awesome.
So we are now at Tocatee Falls.
Sorry, Pisces.
Oh. And yeah, short little hike. It looks really pretty. So
Let's go find a waterfall. Yeah. Again.
yeah. We're now at Waterfall, like 3 minutes away from the other waterfall. Mile hike, easy. It's like 270 feet or something like that. So.
Gotta pee.
drove 4 hours to the coast and we found a really nice spot to sleep for the night, so we're gonna go check it out. So we are now at the Samuel H Boardman State Scenic Area. We are walking down to the coast to check out. There's supposed to be some natural bridges and like a little waterfall, cool stuff.
Cool beach walk.
Yeah. So it's really beautiful out here. We've got a picnic here, the book bag. We're gonna just hang out and eat.
Enjoy the view, hang
Yeah.
out, and then we're gonna hit up Redwood National Forest.
Yes, national park, that'll be fun. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was a really big one. That went up all the way to the rock.
Wow. So that was awesome, absolutely beautiful. Nice day. It was like 77 degrees all day.
It was awesome
Really-
to see rocks in the middle of the ocean. Just
Yeah,
islands, actually.
yeah,
Yeah, it was cool.
It was really cool. But now we are headed down to California.
Woo!
Yeah, we're excited. But until then, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you in California.
See you then.